Hello and welcome to Nural Tech Apps. In this video tutorial, we will guide you through the process of using the Nural SFA app. Let's get started. Today, we're unraveling the mysteries of the price list feature, a crucial tool for navigating the world of values. Let's dive in. To embark on this journey, click on the app icon and open the application. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen adorned with a variety of module tiles. Navigate to the price list section by selecting the designated tile. It's your gateway to understanding the values that shape your transactions. Within the price list section, a drop-down menu unfolds, showcasing all the uploaded price lists. Take a moment to explore, select, and view the price lists tailored to your needs. But wait, there's more. You can take these price lists with you wherever you go. Simply use the download option, and you'll have your chosen price list at your fingertips, and there you have it, a quick guide to the price list feature. We hope you find this tutorial helpful in using the Nural SFA app. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please feel free to reach out. Thank you for choosing Nural Tech Apps.